Manchester United is now just a name. Manchester United is just a history. Please God create 3 legs for Romelu Lukaku. Give Romelu Lukaku 3 legs. Because if the other one miss, the other one will not miss. Manchester United.